Welcome back to the channel. So today is December 18th and I'm by myself home alone, featuring me. I just got off work, hence why I'm still in the the work bit, and I'm over here about to cook, and I just wanted to start off the vlog. So tonight I'm making some, I think I'm gonna be making some jerk wings. I'm not gonna make it too spicy. I'm just gonna put a little bit of jerk sauce on that with some steamed cabbage, some corn bread on the side, and some rice in the back. I'm also on the phone with these people that want to be in my business so bad. They can't even hear y'all. Hold on, let me take my AirPods. You know, I'm real fancy with that's so why the camera so dark? Why the camera so dark? Turn on the lights so they can't see you. Auntie Sasha, you're on the vlog. Say hi.
Hi. Favorite auntie. Then I make sure look good enough. So what do we need?
Welcome from the start. Oh, you me.
I first, then I put me on our dad, you know.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Big up Auntie Sasha.
Anyways, I just wanted to start off the vlog, show you guys what I'm making, and I guess cook with y'all until Pico gets home. So the first thing I'm going to do is cut up these chicken. I'm going to split them down here because I'm a flats girl. Okay, baby like this part, but I'm a flats girl. So let me go ahead and do that. Season up the jerk wings. I'm gonna let them sit there and marinate for a couple of minutes, maybe like 15 minutes. Then I'm about to cut this up to steam it. Let me make some room. Your girl got a lot going on over here. So I'm gonna take my chicken. I have my stove on really low with some oil. Let me put a little bit more. So I'm gonna take this. I'm just gonna put some of these in here. Made my cornbread mix. I'm not gonna put it in there yet until I'm putting the chicken so they can start cooking. And I also have my rice over here cooking that. All right, y'all, so I have the rice going over here. I have my wings and my cornbread in the bottom. All right, y'all, so I have the rice.
Who you call ugly then? Are you?
No.
Who you call ugly?
I have some cornbread.
Show yourself.
And
Listen, for
my
so
jerk
long time.
wings.
Who you call it ugly?
She know who I'm talking to. Show yourself.
Yeah.
Oh!
Then I have the husband.
Oh!
Because you look at yourself, you're seeing at the mirror.
Why are they
Looking
arguing
at
here?
yourself.
Clean, pretty skin boy. Tell them.
You know when me knees in a thing.
Ah!
Have my head.
Ah!
What's up, y'all? It's your boy Pico. I see what they done be scratching me on my arm and shit like that. That girl turned to a monster. I'm telling you. Something serious. Something so serious. Let me adjust this. Put it up because I'm tall. Alright, so anyway, all day I've been gone. I got home, dinner was made, and I ate good. And oh baby, look.
What you did?
We left the cookies on top of the stove, and the oven was preheating the whole time, and the cookies are like soft now. Throw them in the freezer for 5 minutes. Yeah, though, we about to bake some cookies before I go to sleep, so I can go to sleep with some cookies and milk. Cookies and milk.
Like a big kid.
Ooh. Y'all missed me today, huh? I had a photo shoot today, y'all. I was just posted up like this. Get the camera, get it. Let me show them how I was doing. I'm gonna be on somebody's clothing website.
How you was? This how you was?
I can't see.
And that's all you did on the model shoot? What kind of face you was giving them, baby? What's the eyes being? You can't see? Your eyes burning?
I can't see nothing.
My sister on the phone, always on the phone. Y'all,
Tori, look
trying
at
to upload. Hold on, excuse me.
this. Look at this, Tori. Look at this. Look at this.
Look at this child. Y'all, I'm trying to upload, right? And this is literally what I go through. Sharing, failed. It's 11:49. I'm trying to upload this vlog. Your disk is full. It failed. I'm so stressed.
You wanna get one of these right here? And you wanna put it on there. Just like that right there. I don't know how many times I do this, bro, because you keep touching what I've been doing.
Huh? You probably out the door listening.
I don't know why my head itching. I put on this girl hat for one day and now my head started itching. All that weed bug you got. We put our cookies in the freezer for 5 minutes because Shamar left them on top of the stove as the stove was preheating. So we're gonna see what they're looking like. Hopefully they're not melted down. So we got some macadamia chip. I can't wait to eat them with some milk. So that's mine. Macadamia chip with the milk. Make it want to dip. But look at this. They melted, y'all. Oh wow. Good God Almighty. Ain't that bad though. It just moist. They got a little sweat on them. Yeah, alright, man. Alright, there's 6 out here right now. I'll make 2 more. I'll make 1 more actually. For me. Alright, I made 2 more. Because Shamar's gonna be like, how come you get 1 more than I do? She fat as hell. Alright, with the cookies, I gotta put them back in the freezer. Refrigerator. Refrigerator. Where's my phone at? Hold on, let me go grab my phone. Be back in 1 second. And I'm back. 1 second, just that quick. Y'all, well, I'm telling y'all, this ain't my phone. This is my phone, so don't judge me by my pink case. She's currently on my phone, and I just need a timer. So here we go. Nope, that's camera. Timer. Alright, on the packet, what the packet say? Make sure y'all read y'all packets because the instructions are on there. Okay, timer. Alright, it says 12 minutes. I'm gonna put it in here for 8 because I got my stove preheated to goddamn 380 when it's supposed to be 360. So we're gonna do 8 minutes. Right? Drop that thing up in there. Damn.
What happened? What happened?
I'm gonna do 10 minutes. How about that?
People over here making y'all cookies, boy.
Alright. Timer is set and running. Catch up with y'all when that big go off. 2 minutes left on the timer. But these damn cookies are gonna get in brown, like the brown skin beauty, so I'm gonna go ahead and put these things on now. Whew, sorry. When your cookie's done cooking, you just want to wait a minute. Let them marinate. Let the flavors just give it a minute before you drop them in that milk. Cause let me teach you something now. That thing's soft on the top. You can see that right there? Yes, sir. Cookie Master, not Cookie Monster, baby. I'll let you. What?
Alright, you guys, so I'm fresh out the shower finally. And baby, I guess, showed y'all he made some cookies. He made like 10 cookies and only left me 3. So, guess I'm gonna go eat that. And then on the side, I have some Body Armor, the most hydrating drink ever. Let's go see what he's doing. Hold on, I need something to put my cookies in. My Body Armor. What you were saying?
I said that you're lying.
What did I lie about?
How many cookies I made?
How many cookies you made?
I made 3 and 3. You got 3, I got 3.
Let me see in your hand. Your other hand. Open the paper towel. Open it. You hiding something over there, you liar.
I milk too?
No, I got Body Armor.
Ew. Who drink that? Who you know?
I don't like milk.
Who you know eat cookies and Body Armor before bed?
Me.
What
Anyways,
part?
you guys, thank you for tuning in today. Y'all getting a double upload today because, as you guys could see from this vlog, that the first vlog that y'all gonna see tomorrow didn't get uploaded tonight, so I have to upload it in the morning, and y'all also gonna get this one, God's willing. So see you guys tomorrow. Bye.
I didn't see that.